Welcome to the introductory tutorial for Elite, a 5-star hotel solution for Joomla. We have a really nice template here for you, and it has lots of great features. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here we've got a nice home page with lots of valid content, some ads, bottom area, links, and our nice back to top here so we can get there real quick. Okay, so let's go over the modules here. We have our logo, which is editable in the Ecstasy framework. All you need to do is upload your logo in the back end of Joomla and select it, and you're good to go. So here we have our menu, and this menu has two styles. You have a dual fish menu, which is the 2-column, and a 1-column style. Then here, this is your booking button, which is part of the menu. And over here on the side, we have our canvas side menu. And here in this demo, we have all the core Joomla stuff in here. The template parameters, the Joomla content, and the Joomla stuff. And here in this first left area, we've got our booking form, and the booking form is from J Hotel Reservations, which is a free version of the J Hotel Reservations. It comes prepackaged with a template, and then we have a kayak ad here, and this is just custom HTML. And then over here on the right side, we have our Deluxe News Pro, which we have our Elite Suites, Elite Play, Elite Taste, Elite Location, and then we have an ad here. On the left, we have another ad here for a mobile app. And here for the step inside video, we're using the Bootstrap model, so all we have to do is click on this, and then boom, we've got a nice video drop down. Very simple markup using Bootstrap. And here are some little areas of interest, so you can have your Wi-Fi free, just features. And here in the upcoming events, this is our JEM wall for the Joomla Event Manager, the JEM. It was called Event List in previous versions of Joomla, but it's been forked and is now available for Joomla 3 as JEM. And we have some nice hover effects here and a slider. And then here we have our Deluxe News Pro again, and this is just scrolling through testimonials. So as you can see, we have a very powerful module here with News Pro where you can do testimonials, scrollers. Back up here again, you can do these hover effects and linking to Joomla articles. And down here at the bottom, we have 3 ads. Then we have a little cityscape here, redoing the logo. And this is all inside of the ACY mailing module. This is the ACY Mailing Starter Edition, which is free. You can upgrade to the Pro Edition if you like it. Then we have just our core 4-column menu links here, our elevator module to go back to top, and the copyright. So let's check out the styles now. For style 2, we went with some red colors. And a background change here for the events and some more red. And for style 3, we went more monotone with blacks and grays. Different image here again. And for the final style, style 4, we give you a dark home page with some purples. Very trendy colors here. We have a nice little parallax looking effect here just by using a background image behind the testimonials as fixed, repeating background, so it just stays in place when you scroll. And so let's go back to style 1 and let's look at some of these subpages that we have. So here's the stay page. And this is showcasing the suites. We have our picture of the suite, then we have our image gallery here, and we're loading the J Hotel reservation module right here inside of Joomla using the core Joomla load position right in the article. Next we have Explore. For this page, we're just using a Google map with a street view. So you could set this up to be your hotel. You could be the inside of the hotel so they could explore the hotel. You could do street view. And again, we're just loading here in bottom article position the booking form. So we can always have a booking form for them. Taste, we did a pretty cool little layout here for the restaurants. In the Elite Hotel Company, as you see, we have a lot of restaurants. So we just have a Joomla content category here. And we've done all these articles, and then this article here is just text. And so let's go ahead and check out one of the restaurants. And we did a nice little markup here. Same thing as the suites, just we have a little bit different with some make a reservation, download the menu, and the logo. And here for the play area, this would hold all of your nightclubs, your pool area, your billiards. This is the JEM component. As you see, we've styled it nice for the template. So for instance, if we go here to the Elite Arena, you'll see that we have the Elite Arena, then we have the information, the text, the image, and then we have the actual events that are taking place at the Elite Arena. Like, let's see, New Order. And here's the information, here's the link so you purchase tickets. And now let's check out the booking form. And this is the J Hotel reservation component, styled nicely for the template. So you've got your standard room, your luxury room, here's the description, here's the facilities, and here's some more information about it. And you don't necessarily have to use the J Hotel reservations. Really, the only thing that's being incorporated here is a component view for the booking page and some reservation modules. So if you prefer to use a different booking solution, the template really doesn't depend on this booking solution. You can put whatever booking solution you want in and it should work fine. So let's go ahead and check out some of the core Joomla stuff. Go down here to the Joomla blog. Here we have a stylish blog. Go ahead and click and look at the article. Here's the article with everything on. You might not necessarily want to have the voting on, but here's a little markup in here. As you see, we've got our list styles. Then we're using the photo gallery, our Joomla XSE image gallery, to load the photos in. And then we're using our video plugin to go ahead and show videos. And then we have some overrides included for featured right. This is a category blog with the feature being on the right. We also have a featured left and a featured center. Here's the featured center with page title on. Featured left. Here's our cascading grid. Basically what the cascading grid does is it allows you to have multiple image sizes in columns and rows. Normally with Joomla, if you had an image that was smaller like the one in the middle and a bigger one on the left, this one in the middle would actually, the whole article would go down to the end of the size of the one on the left because of the rows and columns. And this basically just does it in columns. So you can have multiple size images and create a kind of unique grid, kind of Pinterest looking. Then we have our FAQ here, frequently asked questions. And this is just a override for the Joomla content, so you can quickly make an FAQ page. Then we have pricing tables. And this is just really simply here, it's just an override. So basically this is just the title, then we have a div here, and then these are the LIs. So the markup's really simple to make your own pricing tables. Then here's our photo gallery, again using our image gallery module. So you can click on this and it'll open up large. And then we have a staff blog. And again, this is just a Joomla content override for blogs, and you can select this right from the menu in the back end of Joomla. Now let's check out some of the third-party extensions we've included. We've included K2, and we just use it for our standard blog here. It's a standard install of K2 with just a little bit of styling here. And everything's on in this article, so you can see everything. And then I mentioned that we have the ACY mailing included. Here's just your standard form. Then we have the Joomla Event Manager, the JEM. Here's just a list of all the events, styled for the template. And then the J Hotel, which we've already seen, but we'll reload this page. And we've also included some different layouts for you here. So I'm going to show you how this works. This is our region layout. Each area here, this area that you're looking at now, that's a region. We have region 1 above that, the inset that we're not using. So here we've got region 2. Region 3 is not on because that holds a component. So this is going to be region 4. Then down here with the Uber and everything, that's 5. Upcoming events is 6. So you can easily reorder these. You can do it from the back end to go ahead and prototype your site, or you can put links in the front end to check it out. And this is quite useful when you've built your site and you've got it done, and you can change the region order a little bit, so you can change the layout, and it's a quick way to prototype your site, because when you get done with it, you might want to move some things around real quickly just to see how they'll look. So let me show you a few of the different layouts. Here's one region order. Now in this one, we moved the testimonials to the second spot, and then go down to the videos, down to the Uber, and the upcoming events, and the ads. And for the next layout, layout 2, we've moved the Uber around and the video around. Layout 3, we put the video on top, the mobile app on top, and then our grid here, then the Uber, upcoming events, and ending with the adverts. And for this one, we put the Uber here, video, upcoming events, and we put the testimonials at the bottom. Now, if you just want like a microsite and you don't want to have all this stuff on it, you don't need it on, then we can just use a couple different regions here, just really short. And so basically what we get is we have our elite stuff here, go down, and that's all. And that's for basically a simple site. And that's the Elite Hotel Company template. In the next video, we're going to be going over the administration of Elite and the setup process. We hope you enjoy this template, and we'll see you in the next video.